quite a performance at Haywood Field. In lane 1 we find one of the locals, Isabel Maya. Personal best of 13.25. Martina Jornevik from Norway goes in lane 2. 13.67 from her this year. Naomi Speren from Switzerland goes in lane 3. Season's best of 12.94. And the big favourites with that magnificent, sparkling new world record, Toby Amusan. Tia Jones goes in lane 5. 12.47 from her this season, new personal best. Someone who's also produced a new personal best in lane 6, Megan Tapper from Jamaica. Poland in lane 7 in the form of Klaudia Wojtunik. Anna Tot from Hungary goes in lane 8. Dead this season from Top. Also a personal best. And young Andrea Ruud from Norway goes in lane 9. 13.18 this season from her. Oh, can anyone threaten Toby Amusan in the form that she's shown this season? On paper, closest to her is Tia Jones. Runs in lane 5, just outside her. Maya Jornevik, Speren, Amusan, Jones, Tapper, Wojtunik, Tot and Ruud. And they're away cleanly. And she got a good start. Amusan being pushed at the moment by Tapper, but Amusan has taken a grip on this, and she comes through to take it. 12.45 unofficially. Outside the meet record set by the Bulgarian Jordanka Donkova back in 1986, would you believe? It's another win. You know, she seems to be limping. Hopefully that's nothing serious. But the win certainly never in doubt for the big favourites. And a big smile at the end of it. Got away well. Best start on the inside from Isabel Maya, the German. And that's as good as it got for her. 3-horse race by quite some margin. Amusan, Tapper and Jones fighting it out. Jones coming through to take second spots, just ahead of Megan Tapper. Did hit the last hurdle, so not the perfect race by any means. And she gets a cuddle from our Berlin mascot, Berlino. And still limping. Hopefully that's not a pulled muscle. Well, thanks to that good start, Isabel Maya producing a personal best, 13.24. She'll be happy with that.
Wagwan family, and once again welcome back to the Yadi Reacts. If it is for the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do wanna say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving on to me. And to by our video features a women's 100-meter hurdle final at the 2026 track meet in Berlin, highlighting a dominant performance by the Nigerian athlete Toby Amusan. On to the highlights, we had the winner Toby Amusan from Nigeria secured first place with a time of 12.45 seconds. On to the podium finisher, Tia Jones USA took second in 12.58 seconds, and Megan Taper from Jamaica took third in 12.66 seconds. On to the dynamics race, while Isabel Meyer from Germany had the best initial reaction out of the blocks, Amusan established an early head. Despite hitting the final hurdle, she maintained enough separation to win. Onto the injury concern, Amusan was observed limping slightly after crossing the finish line, though she remained in high spirits. On to the key facts, we had the meet record of 12.37 seconds set by Yodanka Donkova in 1986 remains standing. Amusan's winning time was just 0.08 seconds off the record. And just to dive in more, who is Toby Amusan? For it is like that much of a confidential, but we'll definitely look at that later on. But right now, how fast is the world record in 100-meter hurdle? The women's 100-meter hurdle world record is 12.12 seconds. This record was set by the Nigerian athlete Toby Amusan at the World Athletic Championships held at Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon on July 24th. The year was 2022. And did Toby Amusan get injured during the race? Yes, there was an injury concern observed during the race after crossing the finish line. In the first place, Toby Amusan was seen limping slightly. Although she appeared to be discomfort, she was still seen smiling at the end. Nothing serious, such a pulled muscle. Yeah, and that's the qualities of a great, athlete when you see. And who holds the second fastest time? The second fastest time in the women's 100-meter hurdle history is held by American athlete Masai Razel. She achieved a time of 12.14 seconds at the Sherman Diamond League, placing her just behind the world record of 12.12 seconds set by Toby Amusan. And again, what is the current Olympic record? Just to discuss about it, the current Olympic record in the women's 100-meter hurdle is 12.35 seconds. This record was set by Australian athlete Sally Pearson at the 2012 London Olympics. And how is the 100-meter hurdle race structured? Yeah, something that we might want to know even much more. The women's 100-meter hurdle race is highly technical sprinting event characterized by precise spacing and standardized dimensions. The race structure is defined by the following specifications. One of it is the total distance, that's the 100 meter, and to the number of hurdles. 10 hurdles are placed along the track. And to the hurdle height, the standard height of the hurdle is 83.8 centimeter, approximately 33 inches. And to the hurdle spacing, we have the distance to the first hurdle 13.0 meters from the starting line. Distance between hurdles 8.5 meters apart. Distance from the final hurdle to the finish line 10.5 meters. Athletes typically use a 3-stride pattern between the hurdles to maintain rhythm and speed throughout the race. Success in the event requires a blend of explosive starting ability, efficient hurdles clearance technique, and the capacity to maintain a consistent sprint velocity. Yeah. And how did she finish the race? So guys, I would love to know what you think about this amazing video. Let's come around, share our thoughts throughout the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day, and to each and every athlete that competed onto these track and field. I do want to appreciate them, and may the Almighty grant them more strength and energy so as we can continue seeing them onto the tracks doing these amazing duties and amazing performances. Thank you very much, guys, for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up through my next videos. All I want to say is peace out there.